To make a simple mask from your old hoodie, which is sitting in your wardrobe for way too long and is probably smelling like a stale cake, start by taking a 17 by 18.5 centimeter piece of cardboard. Make the marks as shown. Then create an outline of the mask by joining the marking points as shown. The pattern created is that of half of the mask. Cut the pattern. Now get your hoodie. Fold the hood of the hoodie along its center seam. Place the pattern on the hood. Match the curvature of the pattern with the curvature of the hoodie. Trace along the pattern. Now cut along the traced path. Try the mask on. If it is big on you, feel free to make adjustments. I found the mask to be much wider, so I cut along the side edge to make it fit my face better. At this point, I highly advise you to make sure that your mask covers your entire face. Do not make a mask which leaves your nose all up in the air or leaves your chin exposed. Cover your nose, cover your chin, cover your entire face. Alright, now that is settled, you may have to hem the edges. You can hand sew it, use a sewing machine, hard glue it, or leave it like that. It will be just fine. The material of the hoodie is thick and won't fray easily. Plus, if you use your mask correctly, that is not sliding it down whenever you talk to someone, your germs won't reach the other person. Credits to the hoodie's thick material. Oh, and wash your mask if it's still smelling like the stale cake. Next step, making the strings to hold your mask in place. Bring back your hoodie. We are going to use its drawstrings. With the help of your muscles, which are probably weak because all of the gyms are closed right now, we are going to remove the drawstring. Take the measurement of the circumference of your ear and cut the drawstring into two smaller strings that would fit around your ear. The material of the drawstring would have some elasticity to it, so take that into account and cut the strings a little bit shorter than the actual circumference of your ear. Attach them to the mask. I hand sewed mine onto the mask. There you go, your mask is ready, but what good is it if you don't wear it properly? Wear your mask correctly, kids, and stay safe.